Alright, today's item to work on is an S10 truck. This particular type was the same 91 through 93 on the S10s, GMC Sonomas, the Isuzu, and similar but not the same on 82 to 91. 82 to 90 had a three-piece grille. I'll show you an image of what that looks like. So this is the difference. That's one piece. The headlight bucket is one piece, and the other headlight bucket is one piece. So they are not interchangeable. And if you do want to change to the newer 91 to 93 grille, you're also going to have to change the piece behind that holds the headlights and everything else, because they are different height headlights. So don't think you're going to put a 91 93 grille right on this truck right now. You would need to, the radiator core support needs to be changed, which is slightly different for the year brakes on the trucks. At 90 has one style, 90 and older, and 91 to 93 has the other style, just FYI. So the job I got to do anyway, if I didn't explain it, I am going to replace the grille on this truck. Probably outwardly looks okay to you, but I was going down the road and some road debris went right through that plastic screening, and luckily just barely dinged the radiator, did not make a leak. So I think I dodged a bullet on that one, but I don't like broken things. A little wear and tear doesn't hurt, but when it's got a break like that, I don't like that. And these come real cheap. They still make them today for a truck this old. This is a 93. Still make brand new grills. They're aftermarket, but it's not a structural component, so that doesn't concern me. So before you do any job, I recommend verifying you have the correct part, because if not, all your disassembly will be for nothing. So we'll just unbox it, make sure it looks like the right one. Other than that, this is a real easy DIY project that most anyone could accomplish fairly proficiently. So in unboxing, looking over the part, it looks right. This one has an indent here. I'm not sure if the original one had that indent, but that's where the emblem goes. The side light pockets look like the right ones, and this one looks more of a black or dark gray. Mine was more of the silver one, but that'll be fine. And not only does it have the hole, as I almost forgot about this when I got this truck, this bumper was bent in a little bit. I put a newer bumper on, but I also had that little whammo there out of the plastic, which is going to get replaced now. So let's get this hood opened up. And that gets us into the fasteners. I see that one's missing. I noticed this is kind of loose. That one's there. That one's about halfway fallen out. This one's missing. So apparently I'm going to have to locate some new fasteners to go along with this. Didn't anticipate that one. Other than that, it's a pretty simple job. Alright, it looks like the T15 is going to be the right for this job. That one was almost out all the way. This one's completely missing. Go to the other side. One missing. Take that out. Now we'll get you a little lower on the tripod here. One right in here. Looks like two in the center. One low, one high. And will be the driver's side. That's about all that holds the whole thing in, except for we're going to have some lighting sockets here. Take you around the side here and see how we're going to get that. I'll just reach in there, pull that out. just give it a, all I'm doing is giving it about a 1/16 of a turn, quarter turn, don't even know. Alright. Now the question is, can I sneak this grill out without having to loosen the bumper? And the answer, I think, is going to be a win. Yes, I can. I wasn't sure if that lip was going to clear. Alright, so we got that off. Come off real easy. Now we got to swap over the chrome emblem and the marker lights. Now would be the time to put new ones if you need yours, but these ones are going to do fine for me. And again, I'm just looking these over, making sure the mounting tabs are in the same spot, making sure it looks like the right one. You can see now the damage, maybe it's a little more clear on the back side. We can see where it's completely punched out. Lucky it didn't cost me a radiator too, because it was a pretty big piece of steel. So what we need to do is, this is for the emblem, 2 screws, these are the lights, or emblems, 2 nuts, lights, 2 nuts on the other side. We're going to get this pretty quick. So on mine, the outer ones look like they're 13s, the emblem is 10 mil. Could have gone with a little deeper socket for that one, I guess. That's all there is to it. Just take it and swap it onto the other one. These studs are just plastic, so don't play hero when you're trying to tighten that one up. Get this swapped around to the other side. Same procedure, just showing you how quickly this can be done. No need to edit it. It'll be out in just a minute. Still didn't get that bottom one good enough. I think that's good. And we'll pan you right to the middle. Camera strap in the way. Got the socket on there already. Emblem comes off. Make sure we got the shot lined up for the new one. There we go. Whoops. that one on right. Oh yeah, it fit right in the pocket. Wasn't sure if it was gonna. Perfect. The other one didn't have a pocket. Whoops, sorry. The other one just had a pocket top and bottom, nothing on the sides. The new one only has it on the sides. Kinda odd. Okay, back out at the front of the truck. Show you just how lucky I was about not needing a radiator. It didn't hit the it hit the fins, but not any of the tubes. It just missed them. Unbelievable. Not to make this video any longer than it has to be, but just FYI, here's what you're going into with those screws. So they do have some movement. They got some left and right. You know, it's the clips that are sitting out here. The other ones are push-in clips. Sorry, I'm not in frame. Are push-in clips, and again, they could kind of hit left and right of where they're supposed to be. I am missing the one, so I'll have to get back on this job another day, and when I can locate one of these screw retainers, whatever you want to call them. And one detail I just noticed is it has one of these body retaining clips down here. Some people call them Christmas tree fasteners or whatever. This one's here on the driver's side, but the left side, the passenger side, it's gone. So let me see if it came out with the old one, or if I need to find one of those too. And then those will go through these holes on the bottom of the grill. I'll try to get you a perspective of what I'm looking at here. As you set it down, it should be impaling itself onto that. So let me see if I can find that other one. And yes, as you can see, it was on the old one. It was a black one, not a white one, but it's there, and we're going to use it. So I'm going to pretty much just reverse the procedure. I'm going to have it tipped on a back angle, and I'll put the lights on first. Try to get it lined up on that fastener. I pushed with that one down already. Let's get the other one started. Got that. Now I'm going to tip it in and start putting fasteners back in. And then I'm going to put the two center ones in. The left side is just going to have to dangle there because we're not going to have enough fasteners for everybody today. Actually, better yet, I'm going to start with this one to get the springiness out of it. Then I'll go for the center. And again, I'm going to concentrate on the right side here because I'm going to have to peel that left side back to put that new clip in when I get it. And that one missed completely. Luckily, I can just reach right in there and get it. That clip is actually bent up a little bit. Kind of thought I remembered seeing that, but And when you get the grill on, you forget. Once I get that off the ground, I'll bring you back. So this side's all tight, the center's tight. I'm just going to have to get this one put in and that one put in when I get screws. This one I need a screw and a grommet, or the thing it goes into. That one I need just a screw. There we go, folks. That's how I keep my 28-year-old everyday driver looking good, reliable, and hopefully working like it should too. And you can too. It's an easy DIY project. Just takes a minimum of tools, very little time, and the grills come cheap from aftermarket. So if you can't find an OEM, don't fret. It's only a plastic piece anyway. Doesn't do anything structural. I hereby declare, once I get some more hardware for that, this grill Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.